Hello everybody, this is Chef Angelica. Look what I have here. Fresh organic broccoli. 4 pounds of fresh organic broccoli that I chopped up in the stalks. We're going to make some beautiful roasted broccoli today. I'm going to put it on a nice parchment lined pan. We're going to roast it at 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes till it's golden brown. Has a little bit of crisp to it and caramelization. This has Italian spices, oregano, rosemary, basil. It's got garlic powder. We're going to add some more olive oil on here. Look at that. Some balsamic vinegar is a trick of mine. Give it a little bit of sweetness and caramelization. We're going to put it on our pan and roast it. Happy holidays side dish to my beautiful lasagnas for my clients this Christmas. Happy holidays, everyone. Broccoli is full of vitamins and fiber. Get your nutrients. Eat your beautiful black broccoli today. Roast some today. Peace out. Everybody, here it is, my roasted broccoli on my tray. Going to go in the oven at 400 degrees. It's going to bake for about 15 to 25 minutes, depending on how you like it, golden brown. Make sure you keep it separated, because if it's too close together, it'll just steam and it won't brown and roast. It's going to be absolutely delicious. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd like you to add your roasted broccoli to your holiday menu or anytime. This makes a great broccoli salad, a great side dish. You can have carrots also and mix in if you'd like to. But it's going in the oven, everybody. Talk to you soon. Happy holidays, Chef Angelica. Guys, here it is, roasted broccoli. It was in for about 20 minutes. I kind of turned it halfway. Look at that. It's all crispy and brown and caramelized. It's so good. Sweet and lovely. It's got that little bit of that roasted burnt tinge to it, which I like. So there you go, roasted broccoli. Make it today. Cheers.